A very good morning to all. Dear students, today you are back to English class and now we are going to see what is debate. In the last class, we have seen what is group discussion and what are the etiquettes of group discussion, why it is in a selection process, etc. I think you are very much familiar with the phrases also. And now, in today's class, we can see what is debate. Debate is a structured argument which involves formal discussion on a particular topic. Here, two teams will be speaking alternatively. One will be for and another will be against the topic. Each person, it is not like GD. Here, each person will be allocated a particular time period where they are supposed to complete the whole what is whole content of what they have in support of their topic. They will be allowed to speak only once, and there they want to introduce the topic and they want to explore into it, and then they will be concluding it. The subject of the dispute is often prearranged, so you may find yourself supporting the opinions with which you do not normally agree. No other go. If you speak for, you must speak only for of the particular topic. You should not talk against it. And the procedure of conducting debate is, as I said, even there I have discussed about the procedure only. Here the topic will be given to you and you can collect the collect the supporting details in support of the arguments which you put forth, and then you should discuss the aspect of the subject by each team members. Should have a conversation among your team members who that is which issue is taken by whom. At the end you will be summarizing as a group. You should point out that who has said like this and which is a valid point, etc. And the parts of a debate is, first, divide your points based on a number of people. I told you you should sit and converse among the team members of the debate. So here you should, but you, after collecting all the points, you should share all the points with the members and you should decide on who must speak. And you can justify your arguments with a large basic logic, worked out examples, statistics, and also some quotes from familiar personalities. And you should be able to give proof or evidence supporting your assertion. Then only it will be a argument, valid argument, and explain the reasoning behind the argument and then try to justify it. And you should know to put forth most important argument at first. While you start, first the important argument must be dealt. And the essentials of disagreement in debate is, first you should ask yourself, that is how your opponent team is going to approach the topic and what are the points they might have taken in support of their argument. And then thirdly, how they will emphasize on which point they will emphasize. By analyzing everything, you should exclude all the points which you decide that they might have taken. And apart from all the points, you must have the quality to argue on a particular point in which they did not touch the topic. Then, to be a good debater, first you must be calm and quiet. If they speak, why, that is, I told you there will be a time period for a person to speak. It is not like GD. Here you want to present it on a stage, you will be given a forum, you will be given a mic, and there you, as a presenter, you must project the ideas whatever you know and also the collected supporting details. So there you should not interpret others while they speak. And then you must be confident enough to tell out your points, and even here the body language matters more. And then first you should know what form of the debate is it. And then debate jargons must be used correctly, and the emotions must be given appropriately, and you must be audible and clear, and you should be on a track without going away from the topic. And if we see the difference between debate and group discussion, it aims for that is, group discussion aims for a clear understanding, whereas debate is it aims to determine which side has a more credible points, and then it will be less formal with less rules. Which one? GD. And debate, they have more formals and more guidelines. Does not here doesn't need, in group discussion there won't be any opponent team, and here the two sides are essential of two opposite sides will be there, that is two opposite sides people must argue one by one. In group discussion, participants aims to share more ideas, and they will try to find out the solution. Here the participants aim to persuade the listener. Here the speaker's aim is to persuade the listener and accept that what they say is right. And here they won't, in group discussion there won't be any specific conclusion, but in debate it ends with a specific conclusion. Thank you.